Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another tutorial. To show you how I make this gift box, like a big matchbox. Okay, and what you need is the paper is 11 by 8. Okay, 11 by 8. This is for the cover. For the outside this. Okay, and all this is the score line. You have to score in the 1 inch 1/4, and score the 5 inch 1/4, and 6 inch and half 1/2, and then you score to 10 1/2. Okay, so yes, and this is how you score the line. Okay, and then you have to this everything I already score, so you just follow it. The size just follow the size you like. So, and this side you just glue it together. So you got this box, and from the drawer, you need the paper is 10 inch in 1/8. Okay, 10 inch in 1/8 for the length, and the width is 6 inch 1/8. Okay, so for the score line also the same. But for the drawer you have the smaller than the box and shorter than the box, because the drawer easy for you to pull. So all the score line is for the first one is the 1 inch 1/8 score. Okay, 1 inch 1/8, and then you score to the 5 inch, and this side 1 inch 1/8, and score to the 5. Then this because I already cut the size for the drawer, so that's so. And the width is also 1 inch 1/8, score to the length you have to shorter is 9 inch. Okay, 9 inch, and just fold it. Score nicely for this side thing. So I think I have to score again. So easy for me to 1 inch, because I do this under my 1 inch 1/8, and then 5 inch. So let's fold it. Like so, and just let me grab my scissors. Let me check, double check. Maybe I scored the wrong 1 inch 1, and this yes, correct. So sorry, and just follow the score line. Cut this. And I prefer this side is the inside. Okay, so this one you glue this together. So you glue it together and put in the box, so you can see the size shorter and easy for you to pull it out. Okay, like so. Okay, and yeah, this is the very simple gift box that I make the gift box for my friend. So yeah, hope this helped. And yeah, still you also can use the, yeah, if you like, you just see this glue together and you can open up and see how you going embellish your box. Yeah, so many different ways to use this gift box. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.